day everyone. My name is Kailing Sukavino and this is our Love 2 for finals. So we're gonna do the encapsulation for me with my scenario 25. So let's go. Bubuksan muna natin ang ating nut beans. Project name is all about this e-commerce. So, pagkatapos nyan, i-click natin ang finish. Linisin na natin siya. Yan. Pag natapos na natin siya linisin, i-import na po tayo ng ating import Java Material Scanner. Kasi declare natin siya sa under na public class. Kasi magagamit natin siya mamaya kasi nag-declare din po tayo ng scanner sa ating main method and also to our transaction natin. So, don't forget the semicolon. It is more important. Okay, and then sunod, i-import po tayo ng ating Java that time. So, ito po ganito po tayo mag-import. So, import Java at that time, the local date and time. All date time. And after that, i-create na ng ating class. That's all about parent class. And ang pangalan ng parent class is all about commerce. And magde-declare po tayo ng ating private string kasi character po ating hinihingi and semicolon and also the private. Magde-declare po tayo ng ating private for username and also the private ulit for our address so lastly for our contact number. And after that, dadagyan na po tayo na ating setter and the getter. Okay. First muna ay gagawin muna natin ay dadagyan muna tayo ng ating setter. So first, public void set name and then ito po sa ating dito po sa taas natin, ito po i-declare natin sa loob ng ating parameter keys. Okay, so string name so curly braces, don't forget and also mag-declare po tayo ng ating this.name equals to name para mag-declare po siya and lumabas po. So, don't forget the semicolon. So, after that, mag-declare na po tayo ng ating getter. Public void. So, a public string, get, name, and open and close parentheses and curly braces, and then return. To recall or return our name, our value po na ating name, para ma-recall po siya. And after that, susunod naman po is our username. So, mag-learn po tayo na ating setter. So, gagaya lang din natin ito. For that, dito po para sa ating username. So, let's type set username. So, string. Sabi ko nga po, ating data type is string kasi character na pong hiningi dito po. At ito pong string ay bibigay natin dito sa ating sa loob ng open and close parentheses or tinatawag natin sa Java na parameter list. So, username. And open close curly braces. And also this dot and ating user name. Also, magde-declare po tayo na ating getter. Kung mayroong setter, meron din pong getter. So, meron din po tayo. So, string ulit. Kasi character nga pang hinihingi natin. Then, get user name. So, open and close parentheses, select curly braces. And then, return user name. And with semicolon. And also, copy. Declare rin po tayo para sa ating address. So, public void, then set address. Then, instead of our parameter list, it's all about the string and also the address. Then, after that, declare natin open and close curly braces. And sa loob ng ating curly braces, ay mag-declare din na this dot address is equal to address. Yeah, so don't forget the semicolon. And also, declare rin po tayo ng ating getter. So, ating primitive type is all about string. Kasi character na hinihingi. So, get address. So, don't forget the open and close parentheses and sa loob ng ating curly braces ay return the value of address. Don't forget semicolon. And also, to or less is all about the contact number. Very good. So, mag-declare that natin. So, contact number. So, instead of that, our parameter is all about long. Kasi nga po, contact number, so mahabang number. Hindi po kagaya sa integer. Kasi po hindi po tinatanggap na integer ang mahabang number. So, dideclare po tayo dito sa ating gagamitin po as primitive type is long. So, long. So, ito po yung sa ating taas is contact number. So, gagayahin po natin siya para hindi po mag-error. So, open and close curly braces. And sa loob din po in this dot, don't forget, contact nom is equals to contact nom. So, and with semicolon. And also the getter. Yan. Kung merong setter, meron din getter. So, public long get contact number. Side of that, with semicolon. And also, magde-declare na po tayo ng ating class for our class for online. So, public void. So, ating papangalan ay online. And open and close parentheses. And also, curly braces. So, dito nga po sa ating kanina, sa ating unang declare ay import Java Title Scanner. So, dito po sa ating class, dito po tayo magde-declare ng ating scanner. So, it's very important the scanner po also, no? So, new scanner, that's system. System.in. So, sa labas po natin, open and close parentheses, ay magde-declare din po tayo natin semicolon. So, after that, SOUT for shortcut, then press the tab for system.out.print. So, hindi na po kayo mahirapan na mag-tab na pagkahaba-haba and may bibilis na ito. Masasave po yung time sa ating code. So, sa alam natin na primary release, ito po ay magdadagdagan natin enter your name of the customer. So, dito naman sa next line natin, sa line 44, ang magdadagdag po tayo na ating string, kasi character na pamilin ito yung variable name. So, ito yung on, dito sa ating scanner ay on. So, dito na i-declare po natin yung on dot next line. So, ends with semicolon. So, SOUT, press stop. So, for the next, ay i-declare naman yung ating username. So, sorry for the mistake. So, I'm going to change it. So, okay. Enter your username. Then, string. Kasi character mo po hinihingi. Then, username. Then, on for scanner. Dot. Don't forget. The next line. Ends with semicolon. Let. That's OUT. So, for next is our address. Enter your address. Okay. So, character nyo po hiningi dahil address. So, string. So, address is equals scanner ulit and next line. So, for our next is all about your contact number. Enter your contact number. So long contact number. So, dapat po kung anong dineclare po natin dito sa taas, gaya po dito po sa ating baba. Para po hindi mag-error ang ating code. So, sa ating scanner ulit. And then, next long. Yan. Ends with semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon. And also, ay ipiprint na natin siya. So, SOUT ulit for your name. So, kung ano po in-enter ni user doon sa ating enter your name, ay lalabas po siya dito. So tatawagan na po natin ito. Kakopy natin ito here. So, namin natin declare ulit tayo ng system that auto print line. So, your username is call out natin si username. Diba? Kita nyo nag-highlight. For the next is all about the address. Your address. Yes. Address. short na lang natin ay thank you. Caps lock na lang natin. Yan. Siyempre, may quit din tayo. Pa-arte-arte din. Para creative. Yan. So, declare ulit tayo sa taas para gagawin ay in-store. So, ganun ulit, public void. So, in-store. Curly phrases. So, yun nga, sinabi ko, magde-declare ulit tayo ng scanner. Scanner is I'm gonna copy this one here. There are this and the last one also 4R. So papalitan natin ng scan. So sorry about that. Paper din. So, nakabigay po sa ating scanner ay yields. So, dapat papagpapag natin ang yields para hindi ko mag-error ang ating code. Yields. Here. Yields. So, public void for our last is phone only. So, dedicate natin phone. Then, nag-close curly braces. Then, nag-dedicate din tayo ulit ng ating scanner. So, phone. New scanner. System ID. Ends with a semicolon. So, kakopy natin ulit. And also, papalitan natin yan. Pupunta na po tayo sa ating main method. Here. So, magdadagare din po tayo ng ating scanner. So, scanner is very important. So, scanner in new scan. Sa our parent class, i-declare natin dito para makalap po natin sa ating switch. So, ang pangalan natin sa ating parent ay commerce. So, dito natin, nalagay natin ay commerce. So, dapat po ganyan tayo para na-declare niyo po ang ating hinihingi. So, option is equals to new commerce and open and close parentheses ends with a semicolon. So, dahil dyan, so, tabi na ating import java.scanner. What's happening? Okay. Sorry for that. Hindi ko pala delete here. Okay. So, sa atin, local date para kakalot natin is equals to local date time dot now. Open and close parenthesis and semicolon. And ano din tayo na declare pa tayo ng ating statement. And for statement is date and time plus ito po, kakalot natin ito variable name date time. So, for that, ay mag-ano po tayo ng while and shoe for our choices. So, dito sa loob natin curly braces, dito po natin saselect dito po magsaselect ang ating dito po siya mamili ng choice ang ating user. So, dito po tayo na ating statement for our please select. Please select of the following. Or please select. So for our here for our first choices, it's all about the online. Yan. Online. So dito ay for A is online. Online for B is for in-store order. Choice letter C is for our phone order. And lastly, for last choices is all about the D for exit. Yan. So since it's character, so gagawin po natin car. So gagawin data type is car, car. Yeah, car. So sa ating scanner ay in. So dito pa natin nalagay si in. And then next dot char at. So sa loob ng open and close parenthesis ay 0. So dadagyan natin natin speech. So dito po kita ang ating choices. Ayan, choices. So for case A, colon po yun na hindi po semicolon. So ating option. Ayan, option dot online. So followed by break and followed by semicolon. So for case B, option dot so break for case C, all of it. So, option. Pwede natin silicone, break, still for a moment. For our transaction, just look clean. So enter name, Kai Ling. Username, Pure Beloved Kai. And for our address is Pasay City. Enter a contact number, sir. 680-535. Then enter your cell phone for or letter B. Your name. Beloved Kai. Here. Sorry. Pasay City. For contact answer 968. So thank you for watching this video.